All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time visiting, I'm Jason. What we do here is we do a lot of affiliate marketing and we find ways to make money online. And then we put those up on the channel so that you guys can go and learn how to do that for yourself as well. You can follow along. Everything on here we are making money with. And today we're going to continue on our series right here. Turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month with Clickbank, where we use a free offer from Clickbank and a email program that automatically dumps leads into your account every single day called MLGS, or My Lead Gen Secret. Now, this series, we're working with 5 accounts. You can do this with, I wouldn't do it with any less than 2 for reasons that I show you in the first video about the setup and how to get those free leads. And actually you end up getting a discount because you pay yourself back $5 a month every time you pay. So if you want to jump on this, go ahead, go back to video number 1. As always, the links are always below every video for everything we do. And there is a Google Doc below this video with these emails to save you the time from having to go into Clickbank every single day if you don't want to. If you want to, that's great. If you don't want to, get them from the doc. Either way is fine. If you get any value out of this, please subscribe. We appreciate it. It helps us continue doing these videos and putting information out. So without anything further, let's go ahead and jump into our Clickbank account and just take a look at some stats. See right here, hate writing copy. All right, let's see. Go find us some info. All right, so this has definitely come up since the last couple of days. So this is, we've now had 180 visits to our link or clicks on our link. This was today. Now we haven't even sent our emails out today. So you can see how that just carries over and it just keeps going and keeps going. The more that we continue down this and the more of these we send out, the bigger this is just going to get, because you can see from when we started, it just snowballs and picks up momentum and picks up people and just keeps on going as we go. So let's go check out the period. All right, so we have made 3 sales. Like I said 2 yesterday. I don't know why I said 2. We made 3 sales, so that's good. Now, if we look at our overall, so this is since we started, and today is day 29. So since we started, we've had 6,348 clicks to our link. So that's really good. That's getting good traffic in there. Now, here is our order form, our order form visits. So 96 visits to our order form, and 3 of those have converted into sales, which we've getting paid for. All right, so that's good. So you can make money this way. It's going to take a while, as you can see, to build this up to the point where you need it. But imagine getting up to 50, 60,000 leads on one of these programs, and now you've got 4 or 5 of them. You can pretty well pick anything you want in the same niche. I wouldn't change niches too much. So your niche is going to be make money online, make money working online, e-business, and things like that. So you're going to stay in the same niche. But imagine how many people you can reach out to if you just have these accounts and you just keep going and keep going and keep going, because they never stop dumping leads in. So this just always keeps going. And, you know, even if it's not this offer, as you can see, we've made a sale on well, we've only made sales on, let's see, just the second offer. So we didn't really make any sales on that first offer at all, but people seem to like the second offer. And we're going to keep on going down that line from offer to offer. And we're going to hit some people on each one that are interested. We may even come back to that first one because maybe we didn't have the right person in there, but by the time we're done with this and with the next one, we're going to have that many more people involved in this. And now we could resend those first set of emails and get that many more eyes on them that we didn't have before. I hope that makes sense. So let's go ahead and we'll go send our email. And I've got it ready on the dock over here. So I'm just going to log into my first account. And I'm just going to copy and paste. So Control C to copy. I'm going to grab the subject line and Control V. All right, there's our subject line right there. And then we're going to grab the entire body of the email, including our link, and Control V, and we're going to paste it inside here. Now we're going to make our changes. So as always, I'm going to take the bold off of this. I'm going to add, well, actually, it looks like I just missed it when I pulled it over. So I'm going to put first name again. Whoops. That miscopied. There we go. Now, when you do this too, you can come up here and you can see, you can use these different short codes. I don't know why I would ever use sign up date or IP address, but you could use their full name. You could use their first name, just their last name, or you can put just their email address. So sometimes we'll go in there and we'll just put email address. So it'll come up as, it'll just say their email address in there. But these I've been using all names. So here, as always, I'm going to sign it, my name. And here we need to put in our affiliate name. And we'll highlight and we'll Control C and copy that. It goes here for sure. Control V. And we're going to, we'll make that a little bigger and we're going to bold it. And then let's see. See if there's anywhere else we can put our link at. Now it just says go to the link below. I mean, technically you could go in here and you can put it anywhere. You could put it here if you wanted to. I mean, shoot, you can make the whole thing your link if you wanted to. All you got to do is highlight where you want it and click on the link icon, and you can put it there. I'm not going to do that. I usually put it in where these emails say, where it makes sense. But honestly, you can do kind of whatever you want with this. But we'll get rid of that. We hit perfect timing. We've got our link in there, so we're all good. Let's go ahead and send this. Yep. Well, we got to copy it. Control C. Yeah, we'll send it. There we go. Now up here, we're going to, again, we're just going to right click and duplicate. So now we've got two tabs we can work off of. We can just go back and forth. We'll log out and log into our next one, which is going to be 2. So mailing system, select all, come all the way down because we've already got our email. I'm going to highlight, Control V. Perfect timing. And then we'll go and grab our subject line. Control C and Control V. We're going to re-grab our email and send. That way it's ready for the next one. All right, we'll go to our next account. Go in here, I'm gonna highlight and Control V. Perfect timing. We're gonna go up right here, pull our subject line from our document, Control C, Control V. And we're going to highlight, Control C, and send it. All right, then we move on to our next account. And number 4. Mailing system, select all the way down. Control V, because we already had it copied. Then we'll come up, grab our subject line. Control C, Control V. Then right here, Control C to copy and send. All right, and then we got our last account. So we're working with 5 for the system. So mailing system, select all the way down, highlight, Control V. Perfect timing. And then Control C on our subject and Control V. And there it is. That's the last one. So now we've got a new set out. And I think, let's see, what do we have? The other day, like I think we had 18,000 emails going out. So today we're well over 20,000. But that's the good thing about this. It just keeps compiling and compiling and compiling as we go. And as long as you have, even if you say you don't send your email tomorrow, right? You want to take tomorrow off because it's a weekend, or you want to, whatever, you got plans or something, right? So you don't get to do this. I mean, it only takes 5 minutes, but even if you didn't, if you came back the next day, your leads would be in there for you, still ready to go. It would still go ahead and put that additional 100 in there. So then this would say 200 because you missed a day. So you will still be able to use these. It's not like if you don't use it, then you just lose it. The deal is they'll dump 100 leads in your account every day. So they do that every day. They add 100 leads. So just, you're going to get better results if you email every single day. But one day is not going to wipe you out. 2 days is not going to wipe you out. You still have all those going, but it's always better if you stay consistent and just keep going every single day like we are here. And that's how you start to make some sales. All right. So I appreciate you being here. Thanks for watching. I'm going to have a new series coming out too pretty quick. We may start on it today or maybe tomorrow. We did start a new program. It's actually something new on the market. So keep your eye out for that. be coming real quick, and we're going to do a complete walkthrough of how to get set up and how to market that. I think it's gonna be pretty good. So we will find out together. But I already know people that are doing really well with it. People love the products. So it's going to be good. So come back for that. We'll check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell so you get notified of any videos coming out. And if you like this video, please give me a like on it. It helps us out a bunch. We appreciate it. Thanks for the support. We'll see you on the next one. Later.